Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to install Scikit-learn, sklearn, a popular machine learning library for Python, in Visual Studio Code. Scikit-learn provides a wide range of tools and algorithms for machine learning tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer. If not, you can install it from the video in description. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code. Install Scikit-learn using the following command. Wait to complete the installation. If you are having trouble installing Scikit-learn, you can try installing it using Anaconda or Miniconda. If you are using a Windows machine, you may need to install Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, and 2019 before installing Scikit-learn. If you do not receive any errors, then Scikit-learn has been installed successfully. Once you have installed Scikit-learn, you can start using it to build machine learning models in Python. Scikit-learn is a powerful and versatile library that can be used for a wide range of machine learning tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you.